Hey everybody!
Hey.
So y'all don't usually get to see my lovely wife Rakefit. She's not behind the camera this time. My mom is.
Yay!
She's visiting from town. Fingers. So this week here in Austin is the South by Southwest Music Festival, and it's actually like the biggest international music industry conference. So it just kind of takes over everything, and it's taken over our lives as well. We are generally a big part of it in terms of doing all the conferences and concerts at night, and we've got a lot of shows this week. So that's going to slow down our probably output on Patreon just for this week. So I just wanted to send you this video saying hi. We did get some awesome news. This is the award. We won Best World Music at the Austin Music Awards last night, and that's all because of y'all. For the folks who voted, that's 100% what this is about. People that voted made this happen, so thank you all so much for your support, and you're loving that. We're just thrilled to have gotten this award. And what else? So, like, just to give you an idea what's happening for us this week, today's Monday. We're gonna just be going down and checking out the conference. Tomorrow, Tuesday, there's this thing called Do 512, which is kind of like a citywide like event. They kind of tell you what's happening in the city. So they're having a big party, like a family style picnic, and so Kupira Marimba will be playing at that family picnic tomorrow evening. Then we got a party to go to, and then Wednesday is our official showcase. 1 in the morning, Russian House will be the world music showcase with lots of great bands from all over the world. We'll be headlining that, so we play at 1 a.m. if you happen to be around.
Yeah, you don't need a wristband or a badge to come out to that, so if you are in Austin, just shoot us a text, and we'd love to know if you're coming, and we'd love to see you there.
Yeah. Thursday morning-ish, we're playing at the Fader Fort. Kupira Marimba will be playing at Fader Fort. That's, again, a family show. And then I think that's our only performances, right?
Yeah.
Then we'll be doing workshops and all that throughout. But it's been a great time, a big thrill of mine. Some of you people into electronic music might know the band Survive. They kind of recently blew up with the Stranger Things TV show. They did the soundtrack for that, and they're an Austin band, so they actually won Best Electronic EDM Band last night at the awards. So it was good to get to meet those guys and kind of geek out backstage about modular synth stuff. And they have a bunch of shows this week, so I think I'm going to be going and checking out those shows with those guys. So what else? As far as Patreon, Wednesday, the Nemam Sasa lesson is still scheduled. Yeah. And for you Matepe players that have been practicing your stuff, I think I haven't seen any updates on the Matepes, so I know it's hard stuff. So I'm guessing y'all are probably working hard on that stuff. Maybe if you have time, post a kind of a status update on how things are going, so that can help me gauge how much, how far you want me to go in the next Matepe lesson as it comes up. So I guess that's about it. Anything else?
I think that's everything. Thanks again for helping us win. It really means the world to us, and we love you guys. So.
Yeah, y'all are awesome. You know what, before, one last thing too, we've got a bunch of new patrons here, and y'all are awesome. It's just so great to see so many new people from all over the world. At risk of forgetting, or not forgetting, of just like not naming, I know Jim from New York came on. We've got Al, who's one of our students here, but he's actually currently visiting New York, but he just picked up an Mbira, just started on Mbira. Man, who else? Mike, who's also in Rattletree, is going down the Mbira path. Who else? But there's several new folks, so thank y'all so much for coming on, and keep spreading the word, and let's spread this music. Love you guys.
Love you. Have a good week.